Hi crafty friends, it's Donna here from Donna is Playing Paper, and I have a bunch of cards to share with you today. I'm going to make 3 of these cards in the video and include some different examples at the end. For today's cards, we need some patterned paper. I'm using patterned papers from the Nature Stroll paper pack today. And it does hurt just a little bit to use the B side and to hide those beautiful patterns. And I'm also going to be using a congratulations on your graduation die. Paper Rose has a bunch of these dies for different occasions, so even if you don't want to make graduation cards, which is what I needed, you can also make congratulations on your anniversary or wedding or new baby or retirement or engagement. All of those dies exist. For each of my patterned papers, I've chosen a contrasting plain paper, and I'm cutting the congratulations graduation from that. I've cut the on your out of white card, to which I've added some double-sided tape to the back. That just makes it easy to peel and stick it down like it's a sticker. I'm going to make these Australian sized, and so I'm grabbing some stitched rectangles dies. I'm using the second largest of these dies, which perfectly fits the sentiment, and I'm also going to use the largest die to cut a background piece in the same plain card that I cut my congratulations from. I made a bunch of these cards for friends with graduating students and children. They were quick and simple to make en masse and also to make at the last minute. I made these in my last weeks in Japan and I was out of card bases. And so I thought I'd show you the process of how I make Australian-sized card bases using American products, because that's what I have. And the simple answer is, it involves a lot of washi tape. My scoreboard is marked in inches, and that makes it easy when I'm making American cards, but it also has a center line. And so I have placed a piece of washi tape equidistant from that line, so that I can just slot my metric sized paper into that little slot between my 2 pieces of tape and score on the center, and that gives me my fold. Then, on my cutting machine, I have 2 pieces of washi tape, one towards the top, which is the width of a card, and the one that I'm using now, which gives me the height. And you can see that I've ended up with 2 cards exactly the same size. I've decided to direct stick my sentiment because it's really quite fiddly. If you wanted to pop it up with some dimension, I would probably recommend cutting multiples and stacking them rather than trying to fiddle with tiny pieces of foam tape. I've glued a card-sized piece of coloured paper directly to my card, and then I'm going to pop up the whole panel with some foam tape. I've put quite a few pieces in the middle because I don't want this card to sag. And that's it. I always need a quick check to make sure I haven't stuck my panel on upside down, and we're done. These are today's 3 cards, and I'm also going to show you some pictures of some of the other cards I made that went out to friends and co-teachers for their students. I think this would look so sweet in soft colours for a baby card or in golds for a wedding card as well. At the moment, I only own the graduation die, but I can see that changing in the near future. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with another video.